Hi everyone, thanks for coming to watch this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Laffy Taffy edible EOS. So this is purely made out of candy, and yes, you can eat it, it's not lip balm. I'll also be reading all the jokes on the Laffy Taffy, so make sure you guys watch this video and hear lots of fun jokes. So to make these, you're going to need some Laffy Taffy. Now I found this at Party City, and this was about $7, and you guys only need about 3 of these per EOS. So depending on what size bag you buy or whatever, 3 of these, and I know sometimes you can buy them in the bigger strips, will equal 1 EOS. And the best part about these is that they come with jokes, right? So let's read the jokes as we take them out. So we have sour apple, so tasty and delicious. Okay, so I forgot to read the joke before, so here's this joke. When does a doctor get mad? When he runs out of patience. Ha ha. One says, what do you get when you cross Noah's Ark and a bug? An ark tick. Haha, because Noah's Ark and a bug named a tick. Next we have delicious strawberries. So let's read the joke first. Why couldn't Mozart find his teacher? Because Mozart's teacher was Haydn. Haha, Hayden. And joke number 2, what is the definition of a farmer? Someone who is outstanding in his field. Because farmers have fields. That's pretty funny. So let's open it up. Delicious strawberry. Looks so good, you guys. Moving on to grape, so what is this joke? How did the bones cross the street? Oh, here's the flap. They didn't because the dogs ate them. Haha, poor bones. What did the fan say to the other fan? You blow me away. That's pretty funny. Okay, and the last color we have is banana. So what are the jokes on this pack? What pounds in your ear? The drum. The eardrum. What bee does well in school? A spelling bee. Makes sense. Let's open it up and check this one out. This is an EOS container. It has lip balm in it, and you can find them at drugstores or grocery stores, and I'm currently using this one with my lip balm, so I have some other empty ones that I'm going to use for my Laffy Taffy. So here we go. So here I have all my EOS containers set up, so I'm going to show you how this works. So it comes in 3 separate parts, and it is kind of confusing at first, you guys. So you use the lid to make the egg shape, so it's kind of opposite. So what I'm going to show you here is just how an EOS container works. So I'm just snapping it back together. Okay, so pretend that you have an EOS container. You take off the lid, and then you have the middle piece and the bottom, and then you're going to snap off the middle piece. Be very careful if you're going to use a knife like this. Okay, and then you have the base, and you're just going to set that aside. And then you have your lid, and that's what creates the egg shape for all of the candy or lip balm or whatever. Key thing here is you're going to coat it with oil so that your sugar doesn't stick to it. And this is very important, you guys, because a lot of the times it does stick quite a bit depending on what you make. So yeah, just make sure you remember, and I think any oil should work. And then what you're going to do is you're going to screw on the middle piece. So for Laffy Taffy, it's going to get quite liquidy that'll just seep through, obviously depending on what you're making. Sometimes you put the little middle piece on after. So there we go, and then that means you're ready, and then you can grab your candy. Make sure that you have a microwavable dish, as sometimes they can break, and then you're going to put 3 Laffy Taffies in there. So let's open up our strawberry, but first let's read the joke. So what does this one say? Homework, not homework, when it is turned into the teacher. Hee hee. It's the second one. Why did the skeleton cross the road? To get to the body shop. Cute. What did Della wear? She wore a brand new jersey. That's cute. What do pigs give on Valentine's Day? Wines. What goes up but never comes down? Your age. Why was the broom late? It overswept. Hee hee, that one's cute. Okay, ready for the microwave. So this only takes about 20 seconds, you guys. Make sure you keep an eye on it. And this is what it looks like. So you want to make sure it's liquidy enough that it's going to seep right through these holes and not too hard, or else it is quite difficult. And just remember that this is hot, and the dish could be hot as well, depending on what sort of material your dish is made up of. So either way, just make sure you guys are very safe. Use parental supervision if required, or parental assistance if needed, okay? Okay, so once it's full, tap it until you feel like all the bubbles are out. And then once you are happy with that, you can put it in the fridge or freezer, and it should only really take about 15-20 minutes, obviously shorter if you put it in the freezer, and then it should be ready to go. Moving on to green apple. So let's see what our first joke is for this one. What did one window say to the other window? I am in pain, hee hee. So pain, glass. Now, why did the apple turn over? Because he got jealous of the jelly roll. That's super cute. This one says, how many months have 28 days? All of them. What has 2 banks but no money? A river. What did the hot dog say when he won the contest? I'm a wiener. Why did the spider log onto the computer? He wanted to go to his website. Which monkey can fly? A hot air baboon. What do you call a dinosaur that snores? A dino snore. What store do dogs refuse to go to? The flea market. Why did the baby ghost cry? Because he had a boo-boo. What kind of key doesn't have a lock? A monkey. Why do some people never go bald? They have a receding hairline. In case anyone noticed, I had to switch my little middle piece because this vanilla cream colored one is one of the newer ones for the holiday season, so I had to match it up with the red one that came with it, as the pink one actually didn't fit. And this, you guys, I should have microwaved it a little bit longer because it's a bit thick, and you'll see how it doesn't go in as easily. And you'll actually notice when I show you the finished product that there's a big air bubble. So you want to make sure that you microwave it enough that it just sort of flows in easily, or else there will be air bubbles. Okay, they're all ready to go, so I'm just gonna snap the bottoms on and you guys can take a look at the finished product. This is the banana one. Like I mentioned, I didn't microwave it enough, so I have a huge air bubble there. So you want to make sure that you melt it enough so it's more of a liquid, so it flows right into all the crevices and everything. Other than that, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's super easy to make, and of course, Laffy Taffy is delicious. And in case you're wondering, it actually doesn't stay soft. When you do this process, it actually hardens quite a bit, so you can kind of enjoy it for a longer time. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe. Thanks!